RICH, Papa Rich, Papa Regina, remember when you call one of the contract, drive.
Woodsie Papa Rich. Papa Rich.
Okay, Mema Wakwaba Bimba in the 95.5 FM. So maybe you just tune in. You are live on Ahinipa 95.5 FM. Please take your phone, pick up your phone, call someone, and let someone tell someone that Papa Rich is live on the air. So let's all come together and worship our Maker. It's time to worship Him. It's time to worship Him. It's time to worship Him. This is Ahinipa Drive. Ayiko. But before then, it's time to worship your Maker. It's time to tell Him how grateful you are. It's time to adore Him. It's time to worship Him. So let's worship our Maker. Let's worship Him. Let's worship Him. You are too human than them. You are too holy than them. You are too righteous than they are. Never, not at all. Eya dumbi ana asonso. Eya adumbi na asonso ama wuti said ya wuti no. Eti mayan so de awade wate. Mayan kantre awade se adana se wate. Baby biada wuti me. Baby biada wo me. Just give your time. Just give 2 minutes of your time. Just spend 2 minutes and 3 minutes of your time. And let's say thank you, Jesus. To all my taxi drivers and to all my truck drivers. Oh, I am telling you, me catch say mumbiamo. Na yen radias, yen sodi radi, yen country radis, yen danas, yen country radis, radi, na doye ewo honomoda. Oh boy Santiago mumbia mwate. Oh boy Santiago abusuntua ja Moses mumbia mu ma passengers ni nyina hunu se ebre we de ya de sode awurade ahweye biamu ma passengers no ehunu se ebre we ya sode awurade. Black man baby what do bia biam black man biam ni yan sode awurade wate. Menyane ntiasa mangwase sport jansa mo biam ku ha me pacho mum biam na yan sode awurade. This is the time to worship our maker. And I know David is say nye awurade na ya woma Israel nka say nye awurade na ya oma Israel nka. Ya no obi ntiase de ntia wo se so de awurade. Ya no obi ntiase de ntia wo se ka kire awurade se adonase. Ontiase but da bia ya na me simple analysis bi. And I no driver bia to car. Efri asante atima sankare. Ofri asante atima sankare. Ahaya to car. E ba besi akokɔ ne ho. Oduru water west anaka na sama sorte. Car na timi abu afaso. Amemu nipa. Almost about nipa be 4. Yes 4. Etimi afrim obakun secha just 3 days ago and a man for hwe ho no mo ko hunu nipa ne nsa. But the kwan kro ya so you have been using this road obitimi koba be 2 times 3 times a day 4 times a day na okoba sa kwan no obi fa so onya kwansia wuye no wotimi fa so no akoba so dwiem usi nyankopon nya bi ma. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Diane na obi diana ekofa some demand no wo we decide diane no wo da so eti ho baby a obi 95 ya wo sunti bo form no wo dia wo di American tenten atwam ho wo si awurade nya bi ma. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Are you talking about the materialism, material things in life? And when I was just the akase awurade ya bi ama wana won talk kan to si awurade nya bi ma. O person tell me say unya sika si dan tie awurade nya bi ma. Sana person ka tell me nyesa. O person ka tell me say unya sika to asase tie awurade nya bi ma. O ba bin tu kan ko tena bro tie awurade nya bi ma. Is that what you want to tell me? Is that what you want to tell me? And I'm a catcher. Papa be a wedding free 73 years. Echo hospital no yare. This man couldn't breathe. Or to hospital one man doctor say how to give you oxygen. No money oxygen. 73 years man. Or money oxygen. Or yeah no. And a doctor the man report. And was say I was so with you $5,000. $5,000. Mine is in the trust in our tinisio. Doctor ne shema ni nisu a wosu no a okatire ne say papa wo de forget about the money wo de mentua mi ankasa metua de amount was the doctor enya se mintimi ntua wo metimi atua more than $5,000 now se mintua. But for 73 years of my life I have been breathing for free. For 73 years of my life I have been breathing for free. For 73 years of my life, me home amintua hwe emanyankopon. Me home amintua hwe emanyankopon. But just about 2-3 hours of oxygen now the see me so me tia $5,000. Erade aye bi wate. Erade aye bi wate. Erade aye bi ama wate. Bi wano ni ansode erade. Mayan kanche wade sia danase. Mayan kanche wade sia danase. Mayan kanche wade sia danase. Bi wano ni ansode erade wate. Oh, bi wano ni ansode erade. Should in case you join, maybe if you just joined, please share the video.
PH, Papa Rich, Papa Reggiano, remember when you call one of your drive.
Eradi nshira wate. Eradi nshira so ni mabom ni yeso de erade. Erade wanyo kese na won peja pa. Erade won tin anim emfama wate. Me da wase pa. Afi ma me nhye wunkunan. Okay, afi ma me nhye wunkunan ya me ba. Ebesa me kasam kitwe bi di hye wunkunan na wiye yi. Papa bi wasem bi adabia ya na oka. Na mate o papa na no se oka no several. Na me shedan tina sem na oka na se yi. But for some time now no ase me yati papa na se yi. Na papa na se ma ya oka no se enipa ho akono esenchena. Nipa ho akono esenchena. Se o bi e wo ho na se nipa no e kasa wasum ade chi e ma nipa no timi fra obusa wo se asumasi na etesen ade chi o ma wo timi nya wo bi e ma se nipa no timi busa wo se obenten na wo ho tesen what did you? How are you doing? Are you good? How is your day? What me call a juma bedroom fie mo bi busa wo se how was work? Na juma mu te senya. Na wanya de pa o. Wonya nyonko bi, wonya nia bi, wonya damfo bi, wonya yiri bi, wonya kunu bi. E ma ne timi yesa de we e ma wa. In fact, wanya de papa. But idea back one minim in this life that the people don't value what they have, so they lose it. People don't value what they are, so they lose it. Obisi na ubusam sami ho te san de eno de na ye den na after all man you obi amana musam sami ho te san anti you don't get it, you don't understand it. We pray. Do you know some loneliness kills? Do you know? Are you also aware? Are you also aware? So utina baby and now utina baby fakon for best 10 hours, 12 hours. Na ubia en kasa ho. Na unso kasa ubia ho. Kunim say yana bibi eto, yana bibi si within you. And then I put to some say never leave a true relationship for a few faults. Never ever in your life leave a true relationship for a few faults. Any panoni ni yakama pa. Any panoni ni tiye pa. Now some from swati to be our ye yenti. Pesa woni ni behia bom biem. Pesa be campaign biem. I am from swati to be no ye yo. Ade na o ye na yam from so. I am from so. Yes, it is true. Say nipa na form. Woni na tie sa wadefo. Woni na tie sa wayere. In fact, woni na ba betena. Woni na betena. O pesa ye no ho ade na ne tena. Now so mistake to be our yeah no. You don't want to see him again. You don't want to see her again. Let me tell you something. Never leave a true relationship for a few faults, because nobody is perfect. Nobody on this earth is perfect. We are sia brabo ya boy. Obi anu awa ye pe. Obi ani ho. Asase we so. Obi anye pe. Said ye wutie bia mfom so wo ho. Said ye wutie bia da mfom so wo ho. Mfom so wo me ho. Sanso na wo so mfom so wo ho. Etu betimi afom at any given time. Ubetimi afom at any given time. Eti edumre bi na obi ye wade a. Na say ade no eye mfom so anipa no ede fom wa. Sa ube take any action bi a aya dwene ho mienu dwene ho mienu ansa na what take any decision out of the few mistake or the fault as any pan here no. Before you take any decision, before you take any step against adiene nipa no eye no eni die ni ahobrase ma ya dwene ho mienu sanse wiase wo bia ho wonfomso bia betimi ayebone obia betimi afom wankasa mukura wutimi fom ho wankasa wutimi fom ho. But the foot to some say never leave a true relationship, never ever leave a true relationship for just a few faults, because nobody is perfect, nobody is correct, nobody is perfect, nobody is correct. And at the end, I just want to tell you this, that at the end, affection is always greater than perfection. Should, in case you have no idea, affection is always greater and powerful than perfection. I came to tell you, say you are not going to get one. Unyabi nipa wa ye pepe wa sitena we muda. Obi anu we asu we ye pe. Said ye nipa ne tie bia mfom so kakra ye den e bata ho. Yesi bo ye brebo eye de pa. Brebo eye de pa. Na so sa brebo ne ho ehu na bonyuma e bata. Bonyuma ehu na bata. Na so wo ti bonyuma na firi brebo ho na wan hwe yie na se e paya wan hwa wuntimi mfa bi nka wa no. Sababa penalty in life. To be able to be a now so affection is better than perfection. Obi able to be now so affection is better than perfection. Eti yanki kaya humo mwate na yemfa ye nuane mfom so ne ncha no. Yanki kaya humo na yemfa ya hu ya mfom so ncha no. Ni mfuso kakra ye unti usi aware no na aware biem. Mfuso kakra o ye nti awade a mo sisa no so na aware biem. What your house sound near Marco? What permanent free fear? Me pato tobuase. Na so be you be amana kasa wasum. Obenu obi amana busa say ho te say na wadidi. Ubedi dien. Ukoi ubeba time ben. Me pato die na menye ensi wachi a. Now you have something good and you need to cherish it. You have something beautiful and you need to cherish it. You have something wonderful and you've got to cherish it. Never leave a true relationship for just a few faults, because nobody is correct, nobody is perfect, nobody is correct, and at the end, perfection can never be better than affection. Remember that affection is always better than perfection. Everybody shall want to any moment. What? Why your bonny dear? What you now so dear? And from so a crabby no why dear. Now so would the nippon from so to talk nippana sitting on the watana. Motima what bo any dear waiting ya yama what did to talk ma. Now I was so cheap breaky kakra. I say. Obit me you will be a dear. None you would have fished nippon why the papa pen. Obit me you will be a dear. Nani wure fise nipa na waye na bia na ahye no no aye ne se onfase kanto ni minim no nkunu no sa nipa aye ne papa pen ni wure fi so what is that we me too for say you've got to change because affection is better than perfection. Nobody is perfect. Obi anyepe no obi anso ntumi nyepe what you say eti obi ye wade na ade na nipa ne ya wo no opese un take any decision anaso opese unya de bi enfantie nipa no na ade na oye wo ho na me pato aye afagu nsane ni na busa ho say nipa sumasi me ne na setena papa say no aye me na boni say no aye me aye busa ho papa saying and na waye me na me hwe ni papa waye me na me to bone no ho a me pato enti e wo se me tua me sa kana na e wo se me sumi ye bi tua ne kana anasa wo se me demu maneka. You have to think of this. E wo se wo dwene sa de we never leave. If you have a true relationship, who will be our ben war, not our general, who will be our ben war, now what you no custom some, who will be what you some what to say, or be our team care. When I talk about affection, I'm talking about caring. Someone who shows you love. Someone who cares for you. Someone who always wants to be there for you. Or be a baby or person or woman. There be a no general or general one or pay you number. Who took quite now my no general or for South said your mutia, said your brabomutia, said your jumamutia or who sign panel, south one. There be a swam with me banging. There be a was here come battalion. There be a swam way and time. Now said be the big tea. Sanfoni tia ya naswa. Aya yensu sun tumirika. Aya yensu sun prayer. Yenya wotre. Nye ka nneoma mum nye musa de wo ye no me de to papa ani adwene pa owo me ho a odo a owo ma me a etesen ewrade won hira na onti nani mama me dase
P-A-R-I-C-H Papa Rich Regina Remember you call one of drive
so above photo ojo tujo what's Hey! Okay, running show, running to the man, running your cassier. I am in a pan 5.5 FM. My coach, my dear, no Sugusu, with you know. I hear Pat Drive, and it's your man, your darling boy, your senior, your brother, your love, everything, your everything. P to the A, P to the A. R-I-C-H Papa Rich me pacho me mashe Ukraina ubetimi aba homa so na me no wedding komo ubetimi aba homa so na me no wedding komo me pacho number wo de be fe ni number de be fe ni 0249 0249 0249 023 166 from ni komo zia mashe Ukraina. God bless you. Or text message newspaper 0596 900 046. God bless you. Okay, it's a special text messages no ya can be at the amount. Also bet me after aba homa so na me no edin komo ewo 0249 0249 023 166 0249 023 166 ubetimi afra baso.